Okay, so I'm going to show you how to boot a virtual machine using a flash drive. Now, the reason I wanted to do this is I want to run Windows 11 24H2 on an old computer. So I want to install a virtual machine on this old computer, but it's going to do the hardware compatibility checks. So I know Rufus, the new Rufus, actually bypasses all that checks and it just installs it. So that's the reason. So let's set up a virtual machine quickly. So in VMware, create new virtual machine. You can just go typical, but let me just make sure there's not something I have to do here. Okay, yeah, now just go custom and then I will install the operating system later, because the operating system is on the flash drive now. So it's Microsoft. Right, so that you can just leave all that. Next, and then I have to figure out what this is, but anyway, just generate and next. Right, and then next. Yeah, number of processes, I usually just leave it like that. Two processes, 4 gig RAM. Network NAT, that NVMe. Create a new virtual disk. Yeah, create a new one. This one, I say store virtual disk in a single file. I don't know why it wants to split it up. Anyway, next. Next. Finished. What a long process. Right, so it's going to create the drive. And it's done. So now, let me show you that I actually have the flash drive. Okay, so here's the drive prepared in Rufus to bypass all those hardware checks. I'm gonna put it in and you'll see it's definitely this. There it goes. It's got that Windows 11 on there, and we're gonna boot with this flash drive. Right, so let's quickly check the drive. So there's that D drive that I plug in all the files. So let's start virtual machine, VMware. So click on the drive you created earlier, and then as you click on power on, you're gonna have to come to VM, then removable devices. It's disabled now. As soon as this runs, it will be enabled, and then click on your USB drive. You'll see there. I'll show you. So power that on. It's obviously going to take a while to just say yes and no, doesn't matter. So remove device minus the Kingston, just say connect. And yeah, there it goes. If you fast enough, it will actually grab it quickly. Otherwise, it will just sit there on the Pixie boot for a while and then goes here. So yeah, it's installed. So I'll just run through this to show you that it definitely goes through installation. Yeah, as you can see, it came all the way here. So now we can just say next, install Windows 11, agree, next, don't have a product key. So it's doing that hardware checks now, so see if it can actually bypass it. Microsoft might catch on to Rufus and then change it again. Next. I think that was it actually, except so far so good. And this is the old computer. It will definitely not install Windows 11. Right, searching for the disk, and there's the disks. So there's the USB one with the installation files, and then obviously my virtual disk there. If I click next, it will actually install, but I'm not going to click next. So let's minimize this quickly, all that, and then let's go here, and then I'll show you this PC is old. So yeah, it's old AMD 810, 4 cores. It's got 16 gig RAM in there, which is its only saving grace. Yeah, so that's how you boot with flash drives. Pretty easy. Just have to be fast enough there in the beginning, adding the flash drive. Yeah, good.